Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we will learn about the number 0. Look at the page number 11, dear students. Read and say loud 0. Say with me 0. Dear students, how many cookies are in the jar? 0. 0 cookies in the jar. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं पेज नंबर 11 पर जार में कोई भी कुकीज मौजूद नहीं है. सो वी कैन से 0 cookies in the jar. 0 has no values. For example, 0 means nothing. And you can see 0 candles in the jar. Now let's trace the 0. Let's start with me. Start at top, come down, go round and come back to the top. Very good.